So how you can get $1,000 or $2,000 per day as an affiliate promoting high ticket or low ticket affiliate products online using this email marketing strategies that I'm going to show you in this video. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here on my screen, right, I'm getting $2,500 and $1,000 daily commissions promoting this affiliate offer. So how I'm doing it exactly, let me share here with you the system that I'm using to get these results. As you can see over here, right, this is my 5 email series post. Why 5? Because it does really good job of pre-selling, right, teasing out the offer, just like a Netflix trailer movie, right, teasing out the offer and then making it close. So basically it means that we are pre-selling the whole concept idea, big idea, before the close on day 5. So how it works, we have opt-in page. People opt in with name and email. Once they're in, they will watch the video, our VSL, which is usually around 16 minutes long, and then if they don't buy on the spot, what happens is they will receive announcement on day 1. So they will receive first email, and on day 2 they will receive VIP bonus, which is hidden special bonus for free. On day 3 they will receive it ends tomorrow, right? And on day 4 it's a last day email, which means that it will pre-frame the customer, the prospect, right, into the mindset of a buyer, right? So they will go from being interested into hot lead buyer, who will also on day 5 most likely join or buy the product, which is high ticket again, right? So it's really worth it if you look at it from this standpoint of marketing, right? Imagine you're getting paid $2,000 per sale. Is it worth it to have leads who didn't buy on day 1 buy on day 5 or day 4? You see, it works really well to getting to $10,000 or $20,000 per month in affiliate commissions using this simple system. It's all about simplicity. Why? Because simplicity creates clarity, and clarity creates breakthroughs, and that bring good results. So if you're watching this video, right, and if you want to have same kind of results or even better, what you can do is you have to understand this. First of all, let me mention this. You have to understand who is your niche, who is your audience, right? You have to know your avatar, right? Personal avatar. What is the surface desire of your market? What do they actually want? What they truly want? What they desire? And then you can answer this for your prospect below by just saying, if I could just, then what? If I could just quit my job, or if I could just lose this weight, then what would happen? What is the end result, right? And then you describe your prospect below. That's really easy but very important training that you can use for yourself if you're promoting any kind of affiliate products, right? It works really well. Now, if you're watching this video about how you can connect with me, you can find me on Facebook, email, you can WhatsApp me, and you can also find me over here. Let me share with you over here. Let's go here, and you can find me on my Instagram over here. So if you don't follow me yet, you can follow me, and the links are below this video in the description below. So if you want to have this kind of results, as you can see over here, right, what you have to do, you need to have a product that is paying really well and that is high quality. Very important thing, it needs to be a high quality product to provide real results to the potential clients and people who are buying that products, of course, right? You must make sure it's high quality, and then you need to have a good buyers traffic. Buyers traffic is very important, right? You don't need to waste lots of money on ads, but you do need to have a quality leads, right? It's always quality over quantity, right? You can have 100 buyers leads and 25 sales out of it, or you can have 10,000 leads and no sales. If you don't know how to position your offer, and if the quality of traffic is not good, right? If it sucks, it's not good, then of course you will not generate any sales. But if you really want to have results with this kind of system, right, like as you can see here on my screen, then connect with me after watching this video, after subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel, right? Subscribe to my channel now as you're watching this video so you can get more helpful tips. You can also smash the like button below if you like this video, and after subscribing to this channel you'll be able to get more helpful tips to enable you to start generating results with clickbank affiliate marketing, with, I don't know, JVZoo, MaxWeb. There are many affiliate networks out there where you can go and promote this different offers. And there are also private networks like the one that I just shown you, where you are getting whole done for you affiliate business built for you with a website, with high ticket affiliate commissions, so you can earn between $500, $1,000 and $2,000 per day as an affiliate, promoting this affiliate system, which basically enables you to have done for you in-house business, basically all things that every entrepreneur, every small business owner, every affiliate marketer needs. Blog, website, right? Landing page, opt-in pages, sales funnels, done for you. And then done for you traffic, buyers leads, email marketing system set up, where you can basically send out the email to your customers. It's really, really important. This is long-term real estate asset, right? You own that asset. You can have 10,000 people on your email list or 500 people on your email list and make $500 per day or $1,000 per day commissions. Why? Because you don't have to run any ads later, right? It's a very smart idea because you own that. Google can shut you down. Facebook or YouTube can shut me down right now. And I can still make money. Why? Because of the email list, right? If I lose every kind of social media accounts, don't care. Why? Because you have that contact list. You have a contacts, right? So you can keep emailing them, keep making the money. And that's how all the gurus are basically making their millions online, promoting different kind of products, because they know the importance of having the big and strong email list, right? To email their clients, their customers, their database, right? But very important thing, you get done for your emails. You don't have to be a copywriter and write your own emails. No, you get done for your email templates, which you can insert, copy and paste, and use it, right? By promoting different kind of affiliate offers. So again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips.